Hi everyone, I'm here to share about my FYP, Car Infotainment Control System using hand gestures. The car infotainment system involved in this project is car stereo system, as it is the most frequently used system by the driver. My projects cover from data collections, convolutional neural network, model training, and also the hardware implementation using Raspberry Pi. However, in this video, I will only show the circuit connection of the proposed systems and the real-time demonstration using the hardware. In order to carry out the demonstration and experiment in an easier way, computer speakers are used instead of car stereo speakers. However, this system can be implemented in real car by using this circuit connections. There are 4 types of operation can be performed by this system, which are play, pause, go to the next song, and go back to the previous song. And this shows that the gestures we can use to perform these actions.
Played. You look at me, babe, I wanna catch some fire. Next. Spirit. Do you ever feel under some sky burning on your mind? Played. You look at me, babe, I wanna catch some fire.